room I've ever had. It's ridiculous. And as for this one, tools maketh the man. And you're not supposed to blame your tools. I mean, eventually I was using this baby because this sweeps better than both of these together. I'm really grateful for my padded knees. Right. Our challenge today is to lift up the floor, another cha-cha step, and to put down some cork, which was the original plan. And if you have a look here, you can see they're very, 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 very skinny.
She means it's only 2 mil thick, which means it's thin. It's not skinny.
It is skinny. Look at it. It's like teeny tiny. So it shouldn't make too much of a difference for Marcel's height in the bus. But hopefully will give us a little bit extra of protection. And then we're going for the silver foil on top of this as well, and then we're putting the floor down. So we're losing, I think, 4 mils of height, give or take. For me, I'm okay. I can even wear heels, but for the dude it's a problem or a challenge. So yeah, let's get to it. I hope you enjoy this episode as well. So how are we going to do the floor, Captain?
Well, clean it first.
Yeah?
Can't work like this. This is just ridiculous. Look at all this mess.
Yeah.
So we're going to take up the floor again. Luckily it's click PVC, so nice and easy. It's all been cut already, so that's easy. We'll stack them all back where they were. Start with the piece at the end, stack on top, so we know the order. Then we'll lay the cork out. It's really easy. I mean, you've all done this before at home, right? So what am I talking? Stop talking, more work.
Says the flooring expert who's been doing this for 20 years. Yes, the rest of us have done this plenty.
Feels warmer already, man. Can you feel it? It's actually really good. It's like inert, what's the word? It's not hot nor cold, which is quite interesting. This will help us a lot with a little bit of a barrier.
Interesting.
Can you hold that side?
Yep.
Let it go, let it go, let it go. Yeah.
You want it to the end?
Yeah, we're going to start flicking back, right?
love this floor. These two belong together. Oh man, feels warmer already.